Hello everyone! It's nice to imaginary see you sitting behind your screen and hanging out with me while I design another piece. I actually tried to record this video yesterday, but it didn't work out. I did other couple designs, but they were like 5 or 10 minutes only, and I was like, not worth putting it out. I reckon I'm just gonna use it for my Instagram. Today we are going to do design with Tyler the Creator because he has been spinning in my head for a while now, and I really love his music and the whole visual representation, music videos and everything. For this design I have a couple of things in mind that I want to do, so let's get right into it. Also, most importantly, I want to credit the photographer of these images, who is Julian Behrman. I strongly believe that photographers are no less important than any other creators or musicians, and I will link his Instagram in the description. What I want to do for this is, I want to do a triangle. Where do we find a triangle? Why I can't find a triangle? Oh, look, we got a triangle. Well, we'll have to do. So I wanted to have him kind of like maybe behind it a little bit. I don't know, I'm just gonna go with this. I uploaded my first video the other day and I got lots of love, but I also got 2 dislikes, which hurt me, but just a little bit. Because, well, I targeted the wrong audience, lol, and put it under the tutorial section. And the video was definitely not step-by-step tutorial, so yeah. But I learned my lesson and now I will target different humans. Well, that's my very basic way of doing a triangle, but I do like it. This is pretty cool. What I'm gonna do now is I will add more background to the sides with the clone style tool. So yeah, what have you guys been up to? I've been up to thinking about what I'm gonna do with my life after the lockdown ends, and at the moment, I want to earn enough money from photography that I do to be able to go to US, like LA or New York, and maybe study at university graphic design, but I want to do it when I am able to fully support myself. Okay, wait, I just need to focus. This is so messy, I'm sorry. I'm trying to understand what am I doing. I want to fully support myself if I'll decide to study at university, and not only I want to enjoy the studies that I do, but also not worry about the money or having to find a day job. I really enjoy doing this, kind of playing around in Photoshop, and I understand that graphic design is not only about having fun in Photoshop, but that's, I guess, one of the reasons why I want to study at uni, to get some theoretical knowledge about it, have a diploma, and get the experience of studying. And as well, I prefer classes and someone teaching, having mentors during the learning process and all that stuff. So yeah, I want to do that, and I want to give myself 3 years. At the moment I'm in Australia and I have 1 year left, plus I might be able to get postgraduate visa for another 1.5 years. During that time I would continue working on my career in photography and working on this channel. Maybe I would do a couple of national tours with bands and all just have fun. Well, that does not look funky. No, I say. What are you doing? No. Now, what I want to do is duplicate this one, and this one, apply layer mask to that one, and do a drop shadow. Wait, this doesn't work as I wanted to do. I'm not really good at, like, these all specialties on how to do things. I just roll with everything and I sort it out, and that's how I learn at the same time, and I learn while I'm doing all of this. I never pressure myself to create something extraordinary. I do whatever feels right to me, what I enjoy, and whatever my mood is, I will do that. What color do you reckon? White? Or maybe kind of a bluish white? What if we would do outer glow like this. Damn. Did you like the green? I'm so in love with green, but I think this one would be better because, you know, all the colors and everything. Ooh, I like these parts here. I want it to be even more blended, like this. Oh yeah, something like that. They should be linked together as well. I'm gonna make it smaller, maybe move a little bit here. Well, my computer is very angry at me. I can hear it being like bzzz. Another thing that I wanted to do, I might put a little bit of a darker shadow. Let's put now our lovely grain because we are edgy again. Ooh, I love how the grain appears on the outer glow. I will remove grain from the image itself because it's already pretty grainy, so we would balance everything with only applying it on the blacks and the glow itself. Oh yeah, I love this. Should I make little flowers? Pardon me because I don't have these fancy vacuum tablets. Can't really draw these cute flowers, you know, like with vacuum tablets or whatever. But we're gonna deal with what we have because we're not here to complain. We're here to make whatever we can make with whatever we have, and I'm not complaining, just a little bit. I love this, so cute. Maybe I'm not as dark as I thought I am. Oh, look at that. Whee! I want to duplicate the layers and stack them all behind to have kind of a chain, you know? I saw some pretty cool designs like that, and I want to see if I can apply the idea to my one. That looks pretty funny, doesn't it? Nah, not working that well. I might try putting a glowing circle around Tyler to see if that gives some extra vibes, because we all about the vibes. Not sure about the flower part though, if I want them to go on the circle or behind or through, I'm not sure. I'm gonna separate two windows so I could see what I'm doing. I really like these flowers. I hope you like them too. What do you reckon about the circle? Because I reckon that it is simply pointless and does not contribute to the design at all. Unless, maybe I should make more. So I decided to scrap the circle idea at the end and finalize the design itself. I like to check if these paper textures have any potential to improve the design in the way that I want. It doesn't always do that, and that's totally fine. I think we are done. I think we were done 15 minutes ago, but that's fine. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining in. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. I would love to hear your opinion on this design in the comments below too, and follow me on Instagram, subscribe, like, and I love you all. Doodles!